the Prius needs a new, it's got a clunk noise, and they say that it's in its bearing right here. So what I'm going to look at is this. They tell you not to remove this from your car, but this is already been removed from the car, so we can check it out and we can see why we're not supposed to remove it from the car, possibly. But we're going to look at the bearing that they say goes bad in here because it's a clunking noise. So I'm going to take off this and this and just look inside real quick. I removed the two 12 millimeters. Now we're going to look inside. Okay, so this is the bearing that doesn't work very well, I suppose. And that's what it looks like inside there. So I'd like to just change this part, but you're not supposed to remove this. So what do you think that is? Okay, next we're gonna look inside here, even though they said not to take that off, and then I could be messing up my whole thing here. But I'm trying to understand why. I removed the two screws, and that does not seem to want to come off. If you take off the whole thing, then it comes right out. It obviously reads something on the steering wheel, but I don't know why you wouldn't be able to take it off and put it back on. I think I'm going to take it off and put it back on so that I just replace that thing, pack with grease, and put it on. I don't need any of that.